Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a part of my order from Michaels that I did on Black Friday and show you these 4 beautiful kits from the company Art Minds. I have never tried this company before. I found it in Michaels. Apparently it is new and relatively cheap, and I really wanted to try it for a long time, so on Black Friday, when the kits were on sale, instead of $14.99, I paid only $10 for each. I purchased it, and now we are going to open and see how they look inside. On the completed diamond paintings, on completed images here, that you can see on the boxes, they look pretty detailed. So I hope that this company has a team of artists that work on each design. So let's open and see how they look inside the box. That's how the first design comes packaged. It's in the plastic bag, and all the accessories and drills are inside of it. What I can say right away, from what I see, that the canvas is of a very good quality. It is polyester, the same that Diamond Dots is using. The only thing that I don't like is the black wheels around the sign, but only one sign, right? This one, the small black circle. For example, the equal sign does not have any, black tracing around it. But that's fine. Hopefully it will be fine. So let's open and see what comes inside of the kit. So let's start with the first one. Very beautiful 40 by 50 centimeters design. Candles. This kit contains 30 colors. It is a full round drill diamond painting kit. All of them are 40 by 50 centimeters, and all of them have round drills. Pretty many colors, 30 colors for such a size is a lot. I really like the printing. The symbols are really very clear, beautiful, and I like the detalization of the kits. That's how it looks on the canvas, and that's how it looks completed. Certainly I will replace a few colors with sparklers, especially when it comes to the candles, to the candlelight. And I would also try to replace white AB diamonds over here. I will replace white diamonds, white color here, with AB diamonds. What I noticed about these kits is that they do not have DMC codes or any other codes. Like, for example, Diamond Dots, they do not have DMC codes, but they have their own codes, Diamond Dots codes. These kits do not have any. They're just located in a numeric order, but you never know what the color number is. Let's look at the drills. The drill color is beautiful, but again, even on the bags, you do not see the color codes. What you see here is the code of the diamond painting. Here it is. And if you can see, they're all the same. 89, 89, 89, etc. So that kind of worries me, because in case if I run out of color, I'm not sure how I'm going to replace it. I will have to search in my storage. But if you, for example, are new to diamond painting and you do not have as wide storage as me, for example, it's gonna be complicated for you to try to replace the color, because with Diamond Dots or with DMC, you know what color number you need. You just go to Joanne, for example, and purchase the color that you need, or order it online, or you order it in AliExpress. With these kits, it's gonna be problematic. So, beautiful colors. One more thing that I noticed about these kits, I already opened them for my Russian channel. They do not contain AB diamonds, okay? Just regular resin drills, round resin drills. And of course the quality differs a little bit. Maybe that is why they're relatively cheap. Like the original price is $15, sales price is $10. If you look at the diamonds, they are just regular diamonds that you can, that any AliExpress kits come with. They're not very faceted, if it is possible to say so. Just for comparison, for example, diamond dots, they have more facets and they are, how to say, they're a little bit bigger, higher, I would say, not bigger. They're a little bit higher. They have the same size as regular diamonds, but they're a little bit higher. And they are fuller, you know, and look at this. Do you see the facets on them? And now look at this. This is the kit I'm working on from AliExpress. So disregard the AB diamonds. Do you see any facets on these ones? Neither do I. Now look at diamond dots. There are a lot of facets. So diamond dots drills are really very different from other companies. Maybe that's what makes it also expensive. The kits, the diamonds themselves, they're very, very different, both round and square. And when I look at these diamonds, I do not see many facets as well. Okay, just regular AliExpress drills. So, but that's okay. I'm fine as long as they are of a good quality, as long as there are no, you know, drills to toss away, like with damaged drills. And what's also important for me is the detailization of the design. I love what I see now on the canvas. Hopefully, the final result will be the same as on the picture, not like, for example, Rioli's. Remember Wise Raven? The picture was of the completed kit. The picture of the completed kit was super detailed, but it turned out absolutely different. The colors are way off. Detalization is not as great. But I hope that this kit is gonna be as it is presented here on the final, on the completed image. Really beautiful. So this is the first one. Let's see the rest. This is the next kit. You know what else I noticed about these kits is that whenever I put them on the floor, they straighten up right away. I do not even put any efforts on straightening them up. They do right away. So the canvas of a really very good quality. Very similar to Diamond Dots ones. But I think it's a little bit thicker, but beautiful. I love the canvas. So the next picture is Red Barn, 25 colors. These kits have actually a lot of colors for such small size. And they look detailed for 40 by 50 centimeters. So also beautiful detailization, amazing color printing. I mean, symbol printing, sorry. It's too late, I have to go to sleep already. Beautiful. This is the design. The final picture should look like this. As to this kit, most likely I will replace white color with AB diamonds. As to the rest, I'm not sure. I do not see where I would place crystals, for example, or more AB diamonds. There is really no place I would, you know, use them on. Unless this is the light in the window, maybe I will put a few crystals, but other than that, maybe just a white AB diamonds. These are the diamonds, beautiful colors. I think they're even a little bit brighter than those that appear on the canvas. Amazing. Like this red is way brighter than on the barn. I love it. Cute colors. And of course a lot of white. Too bad there are no DMC codes. I'm not sure if I mentioned or not. These kits do not come, I don't know why they do not contain AB diamonds. Okay, just regular drills. Maybe again this is another reason why they're relatively cheap. The quality of the drills is not as great as diamond dots, for example. They're not as faceted, and they do not have AB diamonds. But for me, it's not a problem because I have a lot of AB diamonds in my storage, so I can always replace it. Amazing kids. Next. The next one is Gingerbread House. 31 colors. Of course, I will customize this one a lot. What I'm gonna do here, I will replace diamonds with white AB diamonds, with yellow crystals, with green crystals, for example, on the wreath, etc. So this kit has a lot of room for customization. Let me show you how the completed one looks. I think that what you see, the colors that you see on the canvas are a little bit off because, for example, they're not very color related. For example, if you look at the heart, I would say that inside the heart is pink, but if we look at the completed design over here, you can see that the heart is actually gray. I have gray AB diamonds, and I have crystals. Crystals are transparent or silver, so most likely I will make I will substitute the regular resin gray ones with crystals, at least when it comes to the heart. I hope you won't get offended if I'm not gonna open the diamonds. Here they are, because they are so beautifully packed and organized. I won't be able to put it back the way it has been originally. Beautiful colors. Here they are. I hope you can see them. Okay, so the next. This is Gingerbread House, and the next one is my favorite. Santa. You know how much I dislike diamond painting portraits. You won't find portraits on my channel. The only one that I did was of Santa Claus, this one, 30 by 30 centimeters, because I saw it really very detailed. On the original picture, I liked it and I decided to purchase it, and I do not regret it. But this one, when I saw this one, full round real diamond painting, and the face is so beautifully worked through, so detailed, I decided to give it a try and purchase it, especially that this is a kind of like fictional character, right? It's not like a real portrait, and it's not a portrait of a real person, for instance, so I decided to give it a try. Look at how Santa looks at this diamond painting. Super detailed. I like it. I like the combination of colors on the face, and even the shiny, glowing, sparkly face is fine for Santa. And of course, this kit also can be customized a lot. I can substitute the drills here, especially on the lantern, with crystals to create this effect of light illumination. I'm not sure what else I'm going to customize. Most likely the fur on Santa's coat, if it of course contains white colors. I won't be opening yeah, I see. Well, they're not really white, but I have AB diamonds, like beige AB diamonds, so most likely from Diamond Dots. Most likely I will replace those with AB diamonds. I won't be opening it because, again, I won't be able to put it back. I hope you can see the colors. Really nice kit, and all kits come with these tools. Here they are, just a standard set of tools. The only thing that it does not have any 3 or 6 placers with them. Just stylus, hand grip, tray, Ziploc bags, and the wax. And of course, they all come with the instructions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to Michael's, to all those kits. And if you like one of those, you can always go ahead and order, because they have more. They have more designs from Art Minds. You might like something else. There was a Christmas tree that I liked a lot, but unfortunately it was out of stock. And while they are on sale, go ahead and purchase it if you like something. And this is one part of my order. The other one is coming. I ordered a really very cute Christmas kit from Diamond Dots with a cat and a Christmas tree. Really amazing. I loved it. And the angel. So as soon as it arrives, most likely next week, I will make a video about it. We will unbox those two kits. But for now, I would recommend you to, try to see what other designs they have in Michaels from this new company, Art Minds. While they're pretty cheap, $10 only. Go ahead and see what you like. Again, they're pretty big, 40 by 50 centimeters. No, I mean, relatively big, right? You know that for $10 maximum you can purchase maybe like 30 by 30 centimeters kits. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon.